The Zilliqa blockchain has recently announced that it's bringing the Ethereum virtual machine to its mainnet, which has excited many in the blockchain world. This upgrade is expected to take place on the 25th of April, and naturally, it's one that creates a lot of buzz. But what does this mean for the Zilliqa platform and its users? In this video, I will explain, in simple terms, what Zilliqa is and how the EVM implementation will benefit its community, as well as how it can affect the market value of the ZIL token. So, without further ado, let's get started. Zilliqa is a platform that was launched in 2017 with the aim of solving the issue of scalability that plagues many of the existing blockchains, but primarily Ethereum. It uses sharding technology to divide its network into smaller groups of nodes, allowing for higher throughput and lower transaction fees, a key advantage of many of the Ethereum competitors, since Ethereum, even after all of its upgrades and protocol changes, is still a costly platform with the highest transaction fees than any other blockchain. In other words, one of the main advantages of Zilliqa is its focus on scalability. By using sharding, it can process thousands of transactions per second, making it one of the fastest blockchain platforms on the market. It makes it an attractive option for applications that require high throughput, such as gaming or e-commerce. This sharding technology allows it to scale horizontally without sacrificing security. It involves dividing the network into smaller groups or shards that can process transactions in parallel, and not only improves the throughput but also enhances the security by making it more difficult for attackers to compromise the entire network. Ethereum, by the way, is also working on its own version of sharding, but as of right now, this is not yet implemented. Over the years, Zilliqa has attracted a growing user base, particularly in the gaming and the finance industries. In 2021, the network surpassed 1 million wallet addresses, which is a milestone that demonstrated the growing adoption of the blockchain. And now, with the integration of the Ethereum virtual machine onto its mainnet, Zilliqa is opening even more opportunities for developers and users. By enabling the use of Ethereum smart contracts on its platform, it's providing a bridge between Ethereum and the Zilliqa ecosystems, allowing for greater interoperability and creating more connected blockchain community. The EVM integration also means that Zilliqa can tap into the existing Ethereum developer community, which is one of the largest and most active in the blockchain world. This could lead to the development of new and innovative projects on the Zilliqa platform and help to cement its position as the leading player in the blockchain space. But it is not alone in its efforts to bring interoperability with Ethereum. Several other blockchain platforms have already integrated the Ethereum virtual machine and have enabled compatibility with Ethereum-based smart contracts and dApps, decentralized applications. Here are a few examples. Well, first, Binance Smart Chain. This is a blockchain platform that was launched by Binance, one of the largest cryptocurrency exchanges in the world. Binance Smart Chain is compatible with the EVM, which allows developers to port their existing Ethereum-based applications to the Binance Smart Chain more easily. And it has gained a lot of attention recently due to its high transaction throughput and low fees. Polygon is another one. This is a layer 2 scaling solution for Ethereum that aims to increase transaction throughput and reduce the fees. It is compatible with the EVM, which allows for easy integration with existing Ethereum-based applications. And it has gained a lot of attention recently due to its partnerships with major players in the blockchain space. And then there's Avalanche, also a blockchain platform that aims to provide high throughput and low latency for decentralized applications. Another one is Cardano, a blockchain platform that is often mentioned in the same breath as Zilliqa. It has a focus on stability and security, and it uses a proof-of-stake consensus mechanism. Cardano has gained a lot of attention recently due to its high-profile partnerships and strong community support. Also, Polkadot, a blockchain platform that aims to create a more interconnected blockchain ecosystem along with its canary platform Kusama. It allows for interoperability between different blockchains and has a focus on scalability and security. Polkadot has gained a lot of attention due to its unique approach to blockchain architecture. And then there's Cosmos, Harmony, Solana, and most recently EOS, who all have developed such interoperability between their own networks and the Ethereum virtual machine, all competing for developers' attention and user adoption. So, all in all, Zilliqa's integration of the EVM onto its mainnet is a significant milestone that showcases the platform's commitment to scalability, interoperability, and innovation. With its growing user base and unique sharding technology, Zilliqa is very well positioned to continue making an impact in the blockchain world. But the competition is growing, and the advances in the tech are fast. If Zilliqa can find a way to outperform its competition, it can become the leader in the race, but this only time will tell. Meanwhile, with this EVM implementation, it's expected that there will be more activity on its platform, leading to creating a wider variety of dApps and subsequently more use cases for its native token, which in the long term will benefit from this upgrade. I don't expect any sharp pumps in the price just yet though, but as time goes by, we will see price appreciation for sure. So definitely place ZIL on your watch list if you haven't done that yet. And here is a reminder to always keep your crypto in cold storage, guys. Don't leave it on exchanges. One of the cold wallets that I use is OneKey Classic, the most inconspicuous device that I have. Paperlight and compact, and it's under $100, yet it supports thousands of cryptocurrencies and has Bluetooth connectivity, making it really easy to use. I recently posted a detailed review of the OneKey Classic, which you will find in the description below, so go check it out. Well, this wraps up today's episode of Crypto Corner, everyone. Thanks for staying until the end of this video. I hope this brought value to you, and show your appreciation by leaving a like and a comment below. Let me know if you have any questions or any suggestions for topics that you want me to cover. I'm posting 3 times a week to help you expand your knowledge and help you navigate easier in the crypto space. So definitely make sure that you're subscribed, hit the notification bell, and also make sure that you check out the links in the description below, where I drop the links to all of the crypto services that I'm personally using and that I recommend to you. And while you're here, just pick another one of my videos, and I'll see you there.